Hi beauties, welcome back to Hikoco's channel. With Halloween coming up real soon, I will give you an idea for a last minute Halloween makeup look. I incorporated some of the most trendy makeup on TikTok to create a Vampy blushed plum makeup with a drop of cuteness. Let's begin. Starting out, I've chosen the Spanish Circle Grey to fit today's mood. It's a grey circle lens that defines my eyes. It reminds me of a vampire's cold eyes, which will perfectly tie in with my lip color later on. As always, I start by prepping my skin. Recently, I have been using the Jungsaemmool Mool cream, and it has become my all-time favorite. The water fills up my skin just by applying this cream, so it hydrates my skin so well and helps my base stay on long, perfect for a Halloween night out. For my foundation, I'm going in with my Tarte Foundcealer Multitasking Foundation. It feels very light but still gives me a medium coverage for a flawless complexion. With any foundation, I just have to use my Picasso spatula. I love how easily my foundation applies by giving it a very thin layer. This makes it very easy to build up the coverage to my liking. Tapping the foundation softly into my skin with the Clio Hydro Makeup Sponge Original will help maintain the coverage and make it stay in place. For a more flawless coverage, I'm applying another thin layer on top. To define my features, I'm contouring using the Rom&nd shade in number 1 Oat Grain. Focusing on contouring the nose and eye socket to define these features will help create depth. As I'm going to be using lots of colors and sparkles on the cheek later, I'm only going to contour the nose and eye socket. To make it more natural, I'm using a fluffy brush and lightly sweeping it from the eye socket to the nose bridge and of course blending while I go. It's time for eye makeup. As I need various tones and shades of pink, I'm going to be using two palettes, Huda Beauty Neon Obsession palette and the Peripera Choigosim All Take Mood palette in number 5. First, taking the Peripera palette, I'm mixing the light pink cotton blush and a peach color pink spell and covering up the eyelid as a base color. Don't forget to apply on the lower lash line too. Taking the shimmery pink mauve shade Plum Light on my crease line. Using whatever is left on the brush, I'm winging out the eyeshadow slightly. This creates depth and enlarges the look of the eyes. Next, with the Huda Beauty palette, I'm applying the neon pink color onto the outer corner of the eyes. For a stronger first impression, I'm doing the same on the inner corner of my eyelid too. To highlight my eye makeup, I'm using my fingers to apply the multicolored glitter shade All Lighter from the Peripera palette. This makes the eyeshadow applies much more pigmented. Then, I like to add a light brown color Dusty Syndrome to contour more and add emphasis to my crease line. Before applying my falsies, I'm using the darkest shadow Essential Depth from the Peripera palette to line my lash line with a small angled brush. To prep my lashes, I'm curling them well. Then, using individual lashes and carefully applying them one by one. A fluttery look that goes well with this lovely makeup look. Before applying mascara, I'm using the Clio Superproof brush liner in Kill Black for a fierce cat eyeliner. Following the eyeshadow on my lash line, I'm going to wing the eyeliner up and fill it in. This eyeliner seriously makes it so easy to do, even I draw a thick and sleek lines. So here is my scary cat eye look. Using the Rom&nd Fix Mascara in L1 Long Black. This makes sure that my real lashes and false lashes are seamlessly blended together. And don't forget to apply the mascara on the lower lashes. Time for eyebrows. First, brushing them out with the spoolie before filling my eyebrows in with the Peripera Skinny Brown in number 6 Cool Grey. I love how thin this eye pencil is, making it really easy to precisely fill in my brows. I'm also applying the same neon pink that I applied on my eyelid to the front of the brows to make the makeup look more cohesive. Now onto the key point of this Halloween makeup, the blushed cheeks. For the heart shape, I'm using little heart as a stencil on each cheek, and I'm taking a bright pink blush from Bellme Peach Sorbet. By using a large eyeshadow brush, I apply the blusher with a tapping motion, starting from the center of the cheek and then side to side. For a subtle gradient to this blushed look, I'm blending out the edges with a flat brush using a lighter pink color. Don't forget the nose bridge to make the look that much cuter. To add dimension to the heart, I'm tracing the edge with the smaller brush using the same neon pink from the Huda Beauty palette. Then filling the hearts in with white eyeliner. If you'd like, you can also stencil it out with the red colored lip pencils too. Time to get creative, so do whatever you want. I really enjoy to draw everything that I like on my cheek. And of course, to make the look even more youthful, I draw on freckles too. And sparkles your look. I used the Unleashia Get Loose Glitter Gel in 2 different colors, Aura Catcher and Happy Baker, to create the dimension that I want, applying it to my lower lash line and eyelid. And then apply my heart rhinestones and onto the lips. To recreate the Halloween vampire lips, I'm using the Rom&nd Juicy Lasting Tint in number 21 Deep Sangria. This is a deep red color that I think fits so well for Halloween. I'm focusing it on the center of the lips first and smudge out the edges with the pencil brush. So just add an alluring mood. To replicate the lips of a true vampire, I added another layer on the inner lip to deepen the color. Final touches with the lavender highlight to the tips of the nose and cupid bone, and that's it. Ta-da! A vampire blushed plum look to show your sweet dark side for Halloween. It was so much fun trying a new look incorporating some of the makeup trends I have seen in the past year. Time to finally enjoy this year's Halloween after having been stuck at home in the past. Do you plan any Halloween party for this year? I hope you have gotten some inspirations from today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!